guys, this is Jenny from Center Petals. I remember when I first discovered flowers. It was about 10 years ago and I was in a dead-end job and that I absolutely hated and totally needed something new in my life. And a friend of a friend told me about a floral class and I was like, oh, that sounds like fun. And I have been hooked ever since. I love designing and doing flowers. I've learned everything I could about floral design, and I was even lucky enough to get a florist position at a high volume grocery store. I worked there for 9 years and learned a ton about flowers and floral design, making tons of arrangements over the years. I even helped grow that flower department from nothing, like it was brand new, to doing over $82,000 for Valentine's Day alone. But that's a story for a different time. And now I can't wait to share all those years worth of floral knowledge with you. You get the best of both worlds. You'll get to see the floral side of things, like tips and tricks on how to design easier. And you also get to see the consumer side of things, because I was a consumer and helped other consumers buy their flowers for years and pick out what's the best, what will last the longest, and all that stuff that we'll talk about later in this channel. And now, since I'm a stay-at-home mom, I can also help you figure out how to be able to use that floral knowledge and skills and make it a part of your daily life, or just something that you can do to create joy for yourself instead of not having anything that's just for you. So now I want to know what your favorite flower is. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to find out what kind of flowers you like. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe below. That really helps me out. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.